For sure. I think I'm just chuckling at AI because Chris, I don't know if you remember when we were at Shop Talk and talking metaverse. I think
Yeah.
I'm the only panelist who was not so hot on metaverse. And then you asked me this question, and I was like, I don't know. Should I refute everybody else? No.
Right.
Uh,
It's hard to be on stage and be the poo or the person that's down on
yeah,
the technology. But hey, you got to tell it like it is. That's why we've always
yeah.
respected you too.
Which is why I think AI, I'm totally on the AI bandwagon.
Are
And
you?
I think there is still some time for the tech overall to mature across all the different use cases where it can be
Mhm.
deployed.
Mm-hmm.
But we have already started on it. Route optimization, I mentioned, uses AI at its core. We've been using AI extensively, I would say, at least for the last 7 years or so. And so obviously the biggest trend is going to be application of AI and machine learning in pretty much every aspect of a business. Whether
Okay.
you're a retailer, whether you're a CPG company, whether you are, a luxury brand, or whether you're a medical supply company, doesn't matter. We will find AI applications pretty much across every industry. And we're obviously seeing, in pharma, in gene discovery and therapeutics, we're already seeing that. And of course, in retail, we have several examples. If you haven't checked out, you should check out generative AI based search that we launched at walmart.com.
Mhm.
Right.
We announced it at CES, but it's really cool because as a customer, it can help you build out a basket of products by prompting you with a use case based scenario versus a search based scenario. So, for example, and you have a little one, let's say you're planning a party
Mhm.
and you say, I want a construction related birthday party.
Right.
So, what do you need? You need birthday candles, you need paper plates, you need all these things, which maybe obviously you have the five top ones. But if you forget, generative AI will actually help you get there. So, that's on the customer side. And of course, there's a lot of work that needs to get done on the workforce management side,
Oh,
which we're just
yes.
scratching the surface of.
Oh
Again, at
wow.
Walmart, we've implemented Me at Walmart, which is amazing because it helps you with task management and whatnot. And again, that's all AI driven. So I think the first and the foremost trend is application of AI machine learning pretty much anywhere and everywhere. The second one is omni-channel experiences, but I'm going to take it a step further and say adaptive retail. You guys might
Okay.
have heard it, but adaptive is, it doesn't matter what the channel is, it doesn't matter where the customer is shopping.
Mm-hmm.
We want to meet the customer in the flow where they are without making them do an action which is non-intuitive for them. So there's going to be this seamless blending that will continue of online, offline, social, whatever other, maybe metaverse comes back, who knows. All these things that you can combine and make it super, super seamless for a customer so that they don't even have to think. So adaptive retail is the second one. Third one, this is ages old. I mean, as probably old as humankind is, but personalization.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the good news is, how is personalization going to be different now versus personalization 10 years ago when I was a big skeptic because I was like, oh, this is just a Excel model running a little bit faster. But I think
Right.
with the implementation of AI, it can really, really take on a lot more information, a lot more data, process it really, really fast, and actually give you multiple scenarios to choose from and correct real time. So that's why I'm really excited about personalization and what it can do. And also my pet peeve, with ads, can we actually make ads that are more helpful for me in the context
Right.
of what I am? So I think that'll be a quick fallout. And then finally, I mean, I think I'd be remiss if I did not call out regeneration or sustainability as a key trend, because I do think this is something which is getting so embedded with the new generation of people that are coming into the workforce that we have to continuously try out different ways, different means to integrate that into our ecosystem. And then finally, all of this for Walmart Commerce Tech, I think you'll continue seeing us pull in more from what we're doing at Walmart and continuing to offer some of these incorporation of trends into our products at Walmart. You'll continue seeing those coming out into the marketplace where other retailers and other companies can benefit from it.